एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन है, क्या कुछ नया होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा हमारे ऑडियंस को बताइए। टीजर बहुत थ्रिलिंग था, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया, थोड़ा सा बताइए।
आई थिंक रवि ने जितनी लंबी बाइट दी है, मुझे लगता है उसने कुछ छोड़ा नहीं है जो उसने नहीं कवर किया है. सो आई विल जस्ट फिनिश इट एट वी लुकिंग डिफरेंट दैन 5 years हाउ वी लुक 5 years ago. हमारे looks, it's much bolder, edgier, like I said in my promo, and much more dangerous than before. We have come a long way. हमने जो 5 साल पहले शूट किया और जो हम आज हैं, there is a lot of difference in terms of our friendship, in terms of our professional relationship, and off screen, on screen, in terms of everything. We have come a long way. We have changed, and it's only for the good. And I am glad I was a part of this series. It gave me so much. 25-30 days का project, and it was so small, and so much to learn. The entirely new team of DOP and this thing. I watched 8 episodes overnight, and मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इतने कम मेकअप में इतनी अच्छी लगी हूँ आज से पहले. So I am glad, and definitely in terms of styling, this, that, everything has gotten modernized with it. So yeah.
रीयूनाइट हुआ था पूरा टीम, कितना नॉस्टैल्जिक फील किया जब पहला सीन शूट करना था, या फिर पहली बार आप लोग ऑन सेट मिले थे?
मैं सच बोलूँ, ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं कि हम कभी टच में नहीं थे. With Ravi and Achin, specifically this cast, I've always been in touch with them. It's the first time. जमाई राजा इज़ दी ओनली शो जहाँ मैंने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स बनाए हैं, जो आज तक मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. बीट रैना, शगुन, सावंत, Amreen, Gautam. I don't know if you guys even want to know about them or you know them, but they were the cast of my show. Are you my best friends हैं. So Jamai Raja, in terms of not financially, personally also, in terms of friends, Jamai Raja has given me everything. And Ravi and I have suddenly become so thick, in terms of friendship, and he's become so great, so calmer, smoother, and we don't fight anymore, so that's great. Achint, as usual, she's the greatest mom to have. She's the hottest mom in town, and I'm so glad to be her daughter. So yeah, everything's fine.
जमाई राजा में आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री को बहुत पसंद किया गया था, इसमें कैसी केमिस्ट्री होने वाली है, थोड़ा सा?
इस शो की जो केमिस्ट्री है, आई हैव लव्ड इट. आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, मैंने कल रात को जब मैं 8 एपिसोड अपने देख रही थी, सो आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग इट दैट ओके, सो हम ऐसे भी लग रहे हैं. We've done this. We've done this. I genuinely was in awe of our own chemistry. I am not bragging. I'm sorry if I sound too, happy-go-lucky about this, but genuinely, I have loved the two of us, man. I don't know, and I hope you do too. So yeah.
You worked in with the platform serials and web series. How was your experience, and what differences you find?
The only difference is that TV binds you for years and years, and great here. I mean, if a daily soap is working for years and years and you're bound by it, financially, you're earning a lot more, your bank account is filling, you are famous, you're on all channels. Web, it's a shorter period, it takes less of your time, less dark circles, you get off the project sooner, and then you move on to the next one, and then you get time for yourself.
Okay, मैं जानना चाहिए खतरों की खतरों के खिलाड़ी बहुत जल्द आने वाला है, तो कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है. टॉप 3 में करिश्मा तन्ना और करण कटेल और बलराज है, तो कितनी एक्साइटमेंट.
Balraj है. I am so glad. I was rooting for him, और पता नहीं कैसे पहुंच गया, but I always was going to be his family also. मैं support कर रही थी. But great here, and Karishma, again, hats off to that girl. I've seen her everywhere, from dancing, from acting, and this and that. Karan Patel, again, a superhuman being, and I'm wishing them all the very, very best, and may the best one win.
According to you, who can beat this show?
I think Karishma should win. Again, the girl connection, but Balraj could totally take it. Karan, so it's a...
Okay, Big Boss आ रहा है, तो आपको अगर अप्रोच किया जाए तो you will like to go?
I have been approached and I haven't gone. I'm here.
So you are not going?
I'm not going. Yeah, I'm not going. I don't think so.
Any reason behind it? Yeah.
You do not want to do Big Boss. हाँ मैम, बताइए कुछ.
I think my language in real life is not very filtered, and my friend circle and most of the people know about it, and not that मैं training लेके भी वो इतनी overnight तो filter नहीं कर सकती हूँ, and as an actor I don't want that side coming out. Also I feel I don't know what are you fetching out of it eventually, in terms of projects and a lot of things. It's your own. I don't want to go on and on about it. There are people that have made the decision to go to Big Boss, and there are people that have not gone, and I am one who's still holding to it. And yeah, matlab, I've looked beyond money and beyond. I mean, everybody is here to earn a lot of money, and then if you look past it, I think I've made a brave decision. But yeah, Big Boss is not bad. It's not. It's great.
मैम एक आखिरी सवाल है, इन दिनों लगातार पर्यावरण की बात की जा रही है। आरए में 2700 पेड़ काटे जाने वाले हैं, आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया इसको लेके? डू यू थिंक इट इज़ अ नेसेसरी डेवलपमेंट होना ज़रूरी है या फॉरेस्ट को बचाना ज़रूरी है? वी हैव सीन at the short period heavy rainfall taking place in Mumbai.
Okay,
What
so
is your opinion on this?
I will not give a proper speech on this, but we seeing Mumbai. हम गणपति से ज़्यादा Mumbai is on the verge of विसर्जन, right? And we know it all. और development को किसको development की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है? We know it, right? So आर्य के forest को अगर काट के इन सबको you metro lines लाके they can benefit the people. I don't know how is the government going to go about it, but if the entire nation is coming together and fighting against it, there must be a reason, and they should just, it's high time they hear us. I mean, I'm not part of any such movement, but I strongly condemn it, and I just request them to just do the necessary improvement that Mumbai needs at this hour, because it's drowning, man. The next moment we could just, all of us, I mean, not literally, but yeah, we're on the verge of it. So yeah, next Ganpati, let's not have Mumbai having the Visarjan instead of Ganpati.
Thank you so much. Did you photo up there at this point?
No. We are together one picture.
Sir, आप center में.
Please come.
Here? Yeah. Perfect.
सर सामने देखिए,
सामने वाले के बाजू में।
अच्छा, सामने वाला पहले बताओ कौन है फिर उसका